In this video, I'll show you how to easily add animated like and subscribe buttons to your videos, complete with instructions to remove the green screen background for a clean look. I've included download links in the description, offering a variety of designs for you to choose from. Enjoy customizing your videos and engaging your audience with these eye-catching animations. Import the animated green screen like and subscribe button video into your project. Drag the green screen animation onto your timeline, positioning it on a layer above your main video or image. In the effects library, go to OpenFX and search for the 3D keyer effect. Drag the 3D keyer effect onto the green screen animation clip on the timeline. Activate OpenFX overlay. Select the green screen clip in the timeline. In the viewer panel, make sure OpenFX overlay is enabled. Go to the inspector. Click on the dropper, color picker tool and drag it over the green areas in the viewer to key out the green background. Adjust the despill slider in the inspector to remove any remaining green tint around the edges of the animation. To position the buttons, adjust the zoom, size, and position XY values in the inspector to place the like and subscribe buttons where you want them on the screen.